In episode 20, a bus is seen coming from the front. Yiyang says, "Now I have to go." Yiyang doesn't let her leave, so Yiyang says, "If someone sees us, my family will know that we are dating." Yiyang asks her to wait for 2 more minutes. Yiyang stops upon hearing him. Now, Xiaodong comes to meet Lin Lin. He asks Lin Lin, "How is Yiyang?" Lin Lin asks, "Why are you suddenly asking about him?" Xiaodong says, "I saw you driving Yiyang's car." Lin Lin says, "My car broke down, so I borrowed his car." Saying this, Lin Lin leaves. Yiyang then wishes Yiyang good luck in defeating Xiaodong. Xiaodong arrives here and states, it depends on his skills. Upon seeing Xiaodong here, Yiyang decides to go inside and leaves. Xiaodong asks Yiyang for a ride, to which Yiyang responds, "But you drove here, didn't you?" Xiaodong then explains that his driver will take his car back. Yiyang takes Xiaodong to his billiard room. He tells him, "Go to the 3rd floor, Yiyang is waiting there." Xiaodong is surprised and says Yiyang is here. Yiyang asks, "Did you have an argument with him?" Then Xiaodong says, "I don't argue with other people." Yiyang says, "Okay, then you should leave quickly before I get fined for parking here." Xiaodong goes inside. Yiyang suggests having a meal together, but Xiaodong declines, saying, "I don't eat anything after 10 o'clock. Yiyang arrives. Yiyang asks him what happened to him. Yiyang replies, "I don't know." Yiyang mentions their performance has been similar in recent matches. "Are you angry about that?" Both of them are arguing about the same thing. Then Yiyang says to both of them, "Stop arguing," and forces Xiaodong to sit with them. Yiyang asks Yiyang, "Lin Lin was driving your car. Is her car broken down?" Yiyang responds, "Yes, her car was broken down, so he let her drive his car." Seeing Xiaodong's reaction at this, Yiyang says, "Now I understand everything." Yiyang asks, "Lin Lin was driving my car, so you misunderstood, right?" Seeing Xiaodong's face, both of them start laughing, and Yiyang tells him, "Lin Lin and I have known each other for 10 years. If we had feelings for each other, we would have started dating long ago." Yiyang mentions that Yiyang went on a blind date this afternoon. Xiaodong says, "Now both of you stop it." Yiyang then asks, "Do you still like Lin Lin?" Xiaodong doesn't respond to this question. Later, when Yiyang comes into the room, Yiyang hands him a contract to sign because Yiyang and Yiyang are buying a house together. Yiyang tells Yiyang not to let the coach know about this before the transfer. The next day, Yiyang takes the contract to Mr. his daughter's house and says that her mom needs to sign it, but she shouldn't tell her dad. Mr. his daughter says that her dad will never accept it. Yiyang reassures her that he and Yiyang have bought this house together, it's not a big deal. Mr. his daughter says, "I appreciate whatever you both have done, but the money you have earned belongs to you. Therefore, there is no need for you to give this house to my dad." Yiyang insists. So Mr. his daughter says, "You know my dad doesn't value these things much. He misses Yiyang a lot, so instead of giving this to dad, you should convince Yiyang to come and meet dad." Yiyang says that Yiyang has his own plans, he wants to come back home with pride after winning the competition. The China Open starts. When they are getting ready, Yiyang tells Xiaodong, "When I was about to play my first match after coming back, I called Yiyang and told her that if I couldn't win, my future would be very messy. She told me that when I chased her, I was a poor student and she was also a common player." Xiaodong says, "You're lucky that Yiyang is with you." And then says, "I didn't expect to play against you in the first round." Now, they head to the court to play the match, while Yiyang is also watching their match with her friends. When their game is about to start, Xiaodong tells Yiyang, "Your coach is also here today." Hearing this, Yiyang turns back to look, and Mr. He is also watching him with a smile. Seeing Mr. He here, Yiyang becomes emotional, showing respect to his coach, and even Mr. He becomes emotional seeing this. Yiyang watches everything. Now, Yiyang's training starts, and her opponent in the game is a top player. Lin Lin and Yiyang's coach praise her after seeing her game. Now that Yiyang has won this game, the top player was saying earlier, if he matches against Yiyang, then he will win. Yiyang says, "Last year, I played a game with Yiyang, and I lost." and says that his achievements can be proven not through words but through skill. Yiyang outscores Xiaodong in the game and wins the game. He searches for his coach in the crowd but cannot find him. Xiaodong says, "Your coach is old, so he can't watch such a long game." Xiaodong also congratulates Yiyang on winning the game. Now when Yiyang comes out, Yiyang comes to meet him and says, "Our coach said you played very well today." Yiyang asks, "Where is he?" Yiyang replies, "He's outside." Looking at his face, Yiyang asks, "Are you afraid to meet coach?" Yiyang remembers what Wu Wei said, that you want to meet your coach after achieving something, but the coach is now 70 years old, and don't you think it's not worth waiting for so long? Yiyang arrives where Mr. He is waiting for him. Mr. He gets emotional upon seeing Yiyang and says, "So many years have passed, and your hands have also grown big." Yiyang also becomes emotional and says, "This place is too far. You shouldn't have come here. If it had rained here, it would have been difficult for you." Yiyang tells his coach that he'll call him before his next match, and Mr. He responds, "That's good." Yiyang says that he'll pack up the luggage and then take him home. Now, Yiyang brings his coach back home. Mr. His wife is also very happy to see Yiyang here. Yiyang goes to meet Mr. His wife, who upon seeing Yiyang, says, "When you left, you were very small. Now you have grown up so much." She is happy to meet Yiyang and feeling emotional too. Mr. He says, "Now we won't talk about the past." Mrs. He says, "Your coach made a bet that you would win, so he had asked me to make special arrangements for you."